Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now in this lesson I'll show you how to open Google Sheets using Google Chrome. Now the easiest way to get started is to ensure that you have signed in, you've created an account with Google Chrome. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to the search bar and type in sheets.google.com, then hit enter. And this will take you straight into the Google spreadsheets. Now, another step that you can use is open it up and then head over to these little dots over here, click on them. These are Google Apps, and then scroll down until you find Google Sheets. Now, if you select that, it will open Google Sheets for you. Now, if you look at this, you can see we have a number of templates, but we have this big one with the plus icon. Now this is a blank spreadsheets, but you also have a to-do list, an annual budget, a monthly budget, Google Finance Investment, and annual calendar. So there are a lot of templates to choose from. Depends with what you want to work with. So if you want to get straight into a project timeline, you can use that. But if you want to create something from scratch, you'll have to use a blank spreadsheet. Now over here, we're going to select blank spreadsheet. As you can see, we've opened a new spreadsheet and we're going to start working with it. Now that you're inside Google Sheets and ready to start working, in the next video, I'll ensure we explore the layout of Google Sheets so you'll know what everybody does and where to find the tools you'll need.